Hey everyone, this is one of my favorites. Take your right hand and put it over your heart. Close your eyes. I want you to envision what a great day for you looks like. Really see it. Be as specific as you can. Now I need you to add emotions to that great day. Add emotional content to that visual picture that you just created in your mind. Got it? Good. Now add one thought that you would use as a caption for this picture. Maybe something like love, gratitude, appreciation. You have it? Excellent. So we have a picture with an emotion, with a thought as a caption. Now I want you to slowly open your eyes and look at me. Now you have it, right? Good. Now bring it to life. Know that I support you 100%. I see, hear, and validate you for exactly who you are. God bless you.